God dang. Dude, we need to hurry the fuck up back because it gets dark. And we got at least 20 minutes of kayaking up against the current. Just a quick update. I can't see anything.
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
It's pitch black. I don't have my flashlight. But I made it to the bridge. And the truck is not too far off in the distance, so. Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of Funky Town Fishing. Today we are in Benbrook, in one of the creeks, and the water is cold. I did not bring my waders today. It was 85 outside, so I thought the cool water would feel nice, but boy, it is cold. This all here is still pretty shallow. Everything here is probably 2 to 3 foot in most places. I don't have anything to measure the water on me, but if I had to guess, that was mid 40s, maybe low 50s, but yeah. I think 49, 51, somewhere in there is that water tank. And this is running water, at least for this part of the creek. Once we get to the mouth of the lake anyways. Today I am trying to target wider yellow bass. We caught them last week at Eagle Mountain, so I'd figured why not give it a chance down here. Oh boy, this looks sketch. You guys can't see that, but it's a nice little drop off there. Oh no, maybe it's not too bad. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna pump the brakes on this whole thing right now. You know what though? I'll be laughing if there's a fucking fish right there, dude. All right, so new plan. We can't get deeper into the creek because of these trees that are clearly blocking the way. So we're gonna try to hike around. I'm gonna ditch the kayak right where it's at. I mean, it's pretty empty here. I seriously doubt anyone else is out here. And trying to cross over there. Let's try. One thing I do want to say is that you don't always fish the same creek twice. For me, that's what keeps it fun. Along with the season change, rainfall, and other variables affect the creeks, the layout, and the way that the fish move up or down them. Oh, dude, it looks so good over here.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now, how do we get down? That has to be holding fish. It just has to be. That just got me excited. Part of my fishing approach does involve a lot of scouting, new bodies of water, or changing bodies of water. And to me, that just sets up for next time. So it's not always super successful fishing, but at least you learn something new and you know for next time when you have more time to explore. Nice.
A few moments later.
This looks like a nice little deep pool. Oh, it's not even a foot deep. Yeah, it's electricity. Oh God. Did you see how far I sank right there?
Yeah, dude, I've been doing that the whole time.
Guys, this is sketchy. I just sank like a foot and a half and I'm sinking now.
Climb over to the... and then...
No, that's deeper over there. Dude, if only I had brought my waders. Yeah, look, I'm sinking. Whew. And I'm free falling. There he is. Nice. Oh, guys, this looks freaking great. This is one of those spots that I would keep in mind for future reference. To me, this has everything that I would look for as a small water type guy or creek or river fisherman. I mean, you've got running water, you've got nice little pools, you've got steep little drop-offs or potential pockets off to the right over there. So this has every telltale sign for a wide variety of fish. Yeah, you know, like white bass, sand bass, largemouth, crappie, catfish. You get the point. Quick update. It's getting pretty dark. Trying to get out of here before there's no sunlight. And temperature's dropping, so it's feeling a lot colder for who decided to not bring waders. Oh boy. And it's really confusing because you can't really tell the depth anymore. So you can't go too fast. But anyways, I am soaking wet. No sunlight. I don't have my flashlight. Phone's about to die. Sketchy times for sure, but we're getting somewhat close. I still got a ways to go. I can't see anything. It's pitch black. I don't have my flashlight, but I made it to the bridge and the truck is not too far off in the distance. So whoo, this is slippery. Y'all can't see this, but this is all like slick rocks down here. So I do want to leave you guys with a final thought, and that is that fishing is fun regardless of catching, right? In the best case scenario, you would want to always catch a fish, but sometimes you don't. And just getting out there and exploring and finding your local community, being out there with your friend or alone, whatever you enjoy, sometimes that right there is some of the fun in itself. And for me, that's what it's all about. So stay tuned. Next Saturday, I will have another one for you guys. Thanks for watching.
You got it.